guys, it's your girl Chloe, and today I have another tutorial for you guys. And today, as you guys can guess, it's gonna be a very peachy makeup. And I know I am a sucker for peach and pink colors, and you guys see that a lot in my videos, but I just bought some spring lines from Holika, and it was really pretty. So I just got inspired because it also had a gloss booster, and I just thought, wow, I've never done a glossy makeup, so why not? So I decided to do that. I know it's a challenge, but hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Right, I've already applied sunscreen on, so I'm going to start with my cushion foundation. It's called Celebeau Star Secret Cushion in number 01 Pink Star. This also has SPF 50 in it, so don't really have to worry about applying sunscreen. But yeah, I just really like how it's like a star shape, and I also really like how it's like super cooling to my skin. So I'm going to really love using this during the summer days. Oh my gosh, do you guys see the difference here and here? This is definitely like really bright. Wow, and I'm definitely glowing. I really love this actually. So I'm not gonna go into powder, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna go into powder, I'm just gonna go straight into my highlighter, which is MAC's Beaming Blush. Just going to go ahead and put that on so that I can be even more glowy. I'm just going to go into my brows right away. I'm not going to contour today because I want to give off that very peachy, like glowy kind of look. So I don't want like any like dark places in my face today. I'm gonna go in with my Shu Uemura Hard Formula pencil to draw my eyebrows in. Alright, now that my eyebrows are done, it's time for some eyeshadow. But instead of really using an eyeshadow, I'm going to be using one of their lip colors. I know you guys are like, what? But alright, so let me show you what I got. So this is the package, and it says Holika Glossy Play Crystal Melty Stick, this one, and Holika Lipconi Tint Magma in the glossy play edition, like this. This one, the crystal melty stick is in number 03 Be Healthy, and this one is in number 07 Peach Pop, and this one is more like a tint, and this one is more like a lipstick. Maybe I use the tint because it'll last longer on my lid. And on top of that, I did buy an eyeliner. This is a skinny eyeliner in number 12 Peach Butter, and it literally looks like this color. It's really pretty. And a glowy booster. Yeah, I really like this, so this would make everything glowy. So kind of excited. I'm going to open the Peach Pop first. It's like this. Oh, I love the packaging, it's so cute. Okay guys, I'm really scared too because I've never tried this, like putting this kind of stuff on my lid. So let's try. Then I'm gonna go in with the Holika Red Lies Metal Glitter. And what color is this? In number 7 Ruby Twister. going to go in with my Glowy booster right here. Oh my gosh, this is my first time using this. Looks like this. It looks almost like lip gloss. I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go into eyeliner now. It's the Glossy Play Skinny Eyeliner in number 12 Peach Butter. It's really like a peach color, kind of like peach brown, so and then I'm gonna go over those eyeliner with my brown eyeliner again, the liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna go in on the outer corners from here. And because I'm gonna go into mascara, I'm not gonna put a more glowy boost. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick with this Daiso eyelash curler. It was only 1,000원, guys. It was only 1,000 won. And honestly, like my friend told me, this one is better than more expensive ones. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal False Lash Butterfly Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna go over with my Majolica Lash Expander Liquid Extension Mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Aquamatic eyeshadow in D70, I believe, and put it on my Xoxo area. Then I'm gonna go into my Makeup Forever Diamond Powder in number 11 and dab it on my Xoxo area on top of the other Makeup Forever. Like, these two together create such pretty peach-like peach color. Time for some glowy booster. Okay, now I'm going to go into my cheeks, and for that I'm going to be using the Glossy Play Crystal Melty Stick that I showed you earlier in number 3, Be Healthy. And, oh, I love the packaging. Again, it's so cute. Okay, so it's this color. I know it looks kind of red there, but it's really moisturizing and it's kind of like pinkish peach color. And then I'm just gonna again put some glowy booster on top of that. Alright, and then for my lips, going to go in with the same lip color. Oh my gosh, and this smells like candy. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm going to put the Lipconi Tint Magma, the same color in number 7, Peach Pop, into the middle of my lips. Alright guys, so that's it for today's makeup look, and yeah, I just had so much fun putting this look together. You know, I literally was walking by Holika and I was like, so pretty, so I just got it and I was really inspired by this glowy booster and just how pretty these spring colors were. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like the video, don't forget to click the like button. If you have anything to tell me, drop some love down in the comment box below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you guys know what to do, the button's right there. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!